think we've been lying you too long. Been happening because everyone wants to work, everyone wants more customers, everyone wants to earn some money. Every reason in this material world we are living been working as a reason for it. And right now I'm actually talking about diving and the statement that diving is for everyone. Diving is not for everyone. Simply not. In fact, it's only for less than 1% of world's population. Diving is for everyone. That's the statement which you've been hearing all around. That's what the diving professionals been telling to a lot of people, and that's what all the diving industry been telling people. In fact, it's not true. Diving is for those who are eager to see something unusual. Only small group of the people are privileged to see. For those who has no fear to discover something new, step over their fear and doubts. And it's less than 1% all around the world. And there's a different reasons why it's like that. The first of all, not everyone can afford diving. Not everyone feels comfortable with the water. And a lot of people didn't get that point why they are doing. In their lives there is a most important things, and diving is not kind of one of them. Diving actually is for those open-minded and starving for gravity freedom, group of humans willing to leave stress and problems for a while to get back to them with a clear head after great break underwater, to look at those things from different perspective. And I've been talking about that in many of my episodes, that when I get any problems, I go underwater and I'm coming back with a clear head. It's an activity for introverts and extroverts, and those who's looking for a new, real friends, because diving is for real emotions. And diving is not for fake emotions, lipsticks and makeups. Widely open your eyes and breathe deeply. Move slowly and be ready to discover a new world available for only those who are ready to step in for a real. In some point, diving became a bucket list thing, and a lot of people just tried to do it just because they wanted to try. I respect that. It's a good idea to try diving, but it's usually like that became also a honeymoon stuff, the things must to do during the honeymoon. And the young people, they come to Bali, for example, they go to Ubud, and the guy promised to the wife that he will do massage, while actually he don't like it too much. And then the wife actually promising that she will do diving. And finally they coming to me, and the first question I'm always asking is, do you really want to do it? Or it's just because it's in your list? If you're afraid of water, you don't want to do it, why are you doing it? Because my time doesn't really matter in this case, because that's my job, but you're wasting your time. It's just normal to say no. Jumper. So, sorry, we've been lying you. But now it's over. So, once again, diving is not for everyone. Congratulations everyone who's in, because all of you are special. And you should be proud of it, because you are the one who are telling the stories about underwater world someone cannot see, because you are the ones who are ambassadors of the ocean. You are the ones who care about that. You are those who are not afraid of storms, currents, and underwater world. You are the ones who sees the colors no one else can see on the land. You're that small special group of the people who discover new depths, new places, new creatures. You are special. Again, congratulations. You are those geeks and freaks who's spending their holidays for diving and then telling stories about the amazing underwater world to the rest of the world, and they're listening to you really carefully because it's something impossible for them, because you are special. And I'm actually really proud to be a part of this small group of the people and tell those stories to others. Thank you very much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe. And see you tomorrow again. Bye. I remember when I did it for the first time, it was a kind of challenge to open it. And actually it's really simple if you know how to do it. So, just a small secret. So, here is actually the lines which actually show where is all these parts of the durian. See, there is someone coming out already. So, like for example, here is the one, here is another one. If you cannot find it, you can actually cut this one off. See? Then you can see all the lines. So, if you open this one, so then you be really careful because it's really sharp. And then there is it. Doesn't look like this one will be a good one, but you'll see. And that's how easy it is actually to open a durian. Even easier. That's it. Smells okay. We'll see. Usually the best one is the one which is with the yellow inside. This one is white. I'm not really optimistic about this one, but we'll see.